Hi, welcome back. Another important learning. So the month calculation using Eomonth. Last session, we have seen that how e-date will be calculated. Okay. In this session, I would like to give the difference between e-date and Eomonth, what exactly it is. Okay. So, so let's try to see this here. Okay. So 12th December 2024. Okay. If I take equal to Eomonth is the function. Okay, so this is the start range from how many months you would like to see. For example, 4 months onwards. Okay, so but Eomonth means end of the month. Okay, is the date it is going to choose actually for range. So now look at this December. So if I say 4 months, okay, January, February, March, April. Okay, it's exactly chosen the 4 months. In the similar way, okay, 15th, what I would say, Jan and 2024. Okay, so the same thing, if I put it, drag it, or else if you copy this, so it's exactly chosen the 4 months, February, March, April, May. So always it's the end date. Okay, how it will be end date, I would like to show you with one more example for EVO date. Okay. So let's try to check. So for example, if I take this one as an example, okay, let me delete this all three columns so that I'll try to have a difference between E date and EO date also. Okay, EO date, by this time you can understand that it's end of the month. Okay, so if I take this, okay, so I'll take, now I'm taking -3. Okay, it has to reduce the range. That's my target. If I say so, okay, so let's do one thing, equal to, okay, I'll take this one. 1 second. So equal to Eomonth. Okay, I'm just taking range of this one. So -3. So it's not in date format. So that's why you are getting this one. No worries. Let's try to choose this. Okay. Now if you look at this, so from May to, if I reduce 3 months, okay. So May, April, March. That's why it came to the February. It's a leap year, then it has chosen this date. If you try to have a range of this column, okay, let's try to delete this. I don't require as of now. Okay, so this is for EO month. Okay, if you observe that, so end of the month after the range calculation, it is taking the last day of the month actually. Okay, April it is 13th and January it is 31st, like that. That is Eomonth. So now you try to check E date one more time. Okay, last time I have explained this one. Okay, what is E date is going to do? It will take, after calculating the range, okay, the start day of months actually. Suppose if I take -3 or +3, okay, you will get it. Okay, so this one is fine. We can able to choose the date what we are looking for. This, let's try to put this format. Okay, now you can able to see this one. Okay, from May it is got reduced, but starting date will take. Okay, if we go for the range, okay, 5th is 5th it will take, and 7th is 17th. Okay, after calculating the range, what could be the start day of your source that it will take for E date? This is going to take end of the month. That is the difference. Okay, probably you can able to give a try. E date I have already explained in my previous session. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. So wishing all the best. Have a great day. Okay. If you would like to learn a few more things like this, you can able to choose this. This is the playlist. Specifically talks about 49 videos are there for Excel. and it is going to get increased in future. And along with that, if you would like to learn other skills including corporate, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.